Here we cover how to move chips individually, stack chips and unstack chips, and place team designator cover chips on top of the stack. To move a chip individually, simply place your crosshairs on top of that chip. As you see here, I have them on P101. Left click your mouse and you get a red laser. Then place your crosshairs on the board where you want to move the chip to. Left click again and you see P101 moved. To stack chips, simply select the other chip, P102. Left click red laser. Place your crosshairs on top of 101. Left click again and you see 102 stacks on top of 101. Repeating the process, you see where I move 103 on top of 102 and then 104 to finish the stack. To place the team designator cover chip, here is contact 1. Select with your crosshairs, left click, red laser. Place on top of 104, left click again, and you see that the contact 1 cover chip is now on top of the stack. You can move that stack around as a stack, just as you do an individual chip. Place your crosshairs on top, left click, red laser, move to where you want the stack to go on the board, left click again. To unstack chips, simply select the stack of chips, left click twice, and you see they unstack. You can continue to move chips now around the board individually by repeating the earlier process, as you see I've done with 101. If you have any questions, find an instructor in the room and they'll be sure to answer them for you.